Hello everyone, welcome to Master Perl Programming from beginner to expert. I am Chandan Kumar and I will be your instructor on this exciting journey into Perl programming. Whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced developer looking to expand your skills, this course will take you step by step from the fundamental of Perl to advanced technique used in automation, web scraping and data processing. What you will learn in this course, by the end of the course you will be able to learn basic Perl, syntax, variable, loop, function, regular expression, which is very powerful text processing and pattern matching. Then we will also learn file handling and data processing, read, write, manipulate CSV file, JSON and large files, web scraping and APIs, extract data from website and interact with APIs. We will also then do automation and system scripting, automate a repetitive task and work with database. So this course is designed with hands-on approach featuring coding exercise, real-world project and quizzes to enforce your learning. Now, who is this course for? So this course is perfect for beginners who want to learn programming with Perl, software developers and IT professionals looking to add Perl to their toolkit, data analyst and system administrator working with text processing and automation, web scraper and researcher who need powerful scripting solution. So how to get started? To begin, make sure you have Perl installed in your system. Don't worry, I will guide you through the setup in the next lesson. For the best learning experience, I recommend practicing along with exercise and engage in discussion. So, are you ready to dive into Perl programming? Let's get started with setting up your environment in the next lesson. Thank you.